Nested if statement. Python allows the nested if statement. This means the if indented block inside another if-else indented block. The second nested if indented block will run only when the first if condition evaluates to be true. The syntax of nested if statement is shown below. Program 5. To find out if the student is selected for the college or not based on the given conditions. 1. Selected if age is above 18 and marks above 65. 2. Not selected if age is above 18 and marks are below 65. 3. Not selected if age is below 18. On running the program given on previous page, we get the following output. Program 6. To check if the given number is lucky or not. If the given number is greater than 0 and is even, then print lucky number, else print not a lucky number. On running the above program, we get the following output.